So, Go Race, we see to it na maayos yung flow ng race natin, and then mag-enjoy yung mga participants natin. At the same time, of course, yung healthy lifestyle pinopromote natin, yung being active all the time. So, ini-schedule po natin yung mga races natin na makapag-prepare sila, and then they have a goal to finish. So yun, and then while preparing, they stay healthy also. This is Clark Duathlon Championships. It's a culminating race, one of the culminating race here, duathlons in Clark. So, yung nauna natin, Clark Duathlon Classic earlier in the year. No? Ngayon, Clark Duathlon Championships na ito. Yung championships, ibig sabihin may longer distance siya. So, 10K run, 60K bike, and then another 10K run in the end. So, and then meron din tayong sprint. May 5K run, 20K bike, and then 5K run ulit. So, dalawang distances tayo. And then meron din tayong relay. Yung relay category naman, merong isang runner, isang biker. Para kung gusto nilang magtulungan lang. So, of course, yung Clark, thank you sa support natin sa venue, sa road access, no? BCDA for allowing us also going through the iconic bridge, yung landmark natin, pinaka-landmark natin dito, and then of course yung Philinvest Mimosa, Leisure City, yung natin, yung venue natin with the acacia trees and all, no? Ganda po ng venue natin. We plan everything. We conduct meetings to be able to make sure na safe po yung natin, yung race natin. So because we also race, no, we try out races abroad, around the world. We try to experience ourselves kung ano yung nagiging trends also, and then we try to bring it here. So at least naka-up yung level ng natin, ng organization natin, up to international standards. Yes. Yeah, no. So we enjoy it at the same time. Safe sa lahat. So sa October, ito po yung pinaka-highlight, isa sa mga highlight natin kasi long distance event po siya. Titan 77.7, no? Ito yung 4K run, 100K bike, and then 21K runs sa dulo. Ito po ay mas bigger, and then longer siya. So marami pong naghahanda para dito. I'd like to invite everyone to visit our Facebook page, Go Race PH, Instagram also, and then goraceph.com yung website po natin.